Typically located in the engine cylinder head, camshaft sensors determine which cylinder is firing in order to establish injector synchronization and coil firing sequence in DIS systems. The sensors can fail due to extreme temperature, contamination, and wear and tear. To protect against failure, Standard manufactures camshaft sensors using premium components. Let's take a look. Advanced circuitry protects against electromagnetic interference such as stray electromagnetic fields, power spikes, and static electricity. Fluorocarbon rubber oil seal ensures a secure fit. Integrated waterproof connector prevents leaks for lasting performance. Sealed construction withstands extreme underhood conditions. To ensure durability and longevity, Standard subjects each camshaft sensor to extensive end-of-line testing, including a 48 to 64-hour-long vibration test across 3 different planes. As a complete engine management line that's committed to design, manufacturing, and testing, Standard is the aftermarket leader.